Realme recently unveiled the Realme Neo 7, equipped with a massive 7000 mAh battery. New Weibo post, Tipster Digital Chat Station has mentioned an upcoming iQOO phone featuring a 7000 mAh battery. The device, possibly named iQOO Z10 Turbo, is expected to launch in 2025. iQOO smartphone will be powered by Snapdragon 8's Elite. The Z10 Turbo will feature an OLED display with a 6.78-inch flat OLED panel that offers a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, and the phone have a dual rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera and 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It will also support either 80W or 90W fast charging. Redmi is also said to be working on the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, equipped with the Snapdragon 8's Elite chipset. It is speculated that this device may get rebranded as the Poco F7 in the global market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.